G'day there, Mark here from Mark's Reviews and Tutorials, and we've had a fun day here. We've got ourselves a Mavic Pro 3 that you can see right there, and also a DJI Spark. Now the Mavic Pro has been around for a lot longer than the Spark. Spark's been out a bit over a year, Mavic Pro much longer than that. Now so far as camera drones go, the Mavic Pro is superior. It's a little bit faster. It has a 3-axis gimbal. Now what that means, you're looking at the camera on the front right now. A 3-axis gimbal means that when the unit is going forwards or sideways, up and down, or in any direction, that the camera will smooth out the ride and the bump. So if you're moving around, it will smooth that out and make it much, much smoother. The Spark that you're looking at right there has a 2-axis gimbal. It's a smaller unit. And the one movement that it's missing when you're yawing, if you're looking at the Mavic Pro now, see what it did? It turned and then took off. That's called yawing. That's the gimbal that's missing on the Spark. So up, down, sideways is all there, but when you spin it on the spot, that's called yawing. That's when it'll come out a bit jolty and a bit different on the Spark. The other difference, the Spark's got the 1080p camera, which is full HD, and the Mavic Pro has a 4K camera, so a higher resolution. But the big thing that we noticed on the day was in the flying, particularly when you get them into sports mode and want to play, that the Mavic Pro was, not in comparison to other drones, but in comparison to the Spark, the Mavic Pro was really noticeably heavy and big. It wallowed a little bit, whereas the Spark is just unbelievably zippy. Like you hit go when you're in sports mode and it just goes. You're watching there the Mavic Pro in sports mode, and it's moving quick and doing the bits, but particularly in cornering and changing directions, you can really feel the weight of it, and you notice that it's a bigger drone. So amazing fun time. So far as the two go, if you're wanting like a racing drone or just a fun flick around drone, I'd be saying go with the Spark. You know, the Spark you can get for $600. The Mavic Pro is like 2.5 times that much. But if you're after a professional camera drone, that's who owns the Mavic Pro that we were using here today. Then if he does professional photography and he goes to all different locations and takes shots, absolutely you go with the Mavic Pro. You can also get the next level up with the Mavics, and they've got quieter flight and all the rest of it, so they're not noticed. But just a really fun day comparing these two, and the big standout was absolutely with the Spark, just how quick and how nimble it was. Now have a look, I'll put a link up right here, and you'll see that we actually did a drag race between these two on the day, and yeah, the Mavic Pro is the faster drone, but it did not win the drag race. Have a look, and particularly look at the start of the drag race. You'll see the Spark just takes off like you wouldn't believe, while the Mavic just gets up and gets going. So have a look at that, bit of fun, and so far as a nimble, quick, amazing little drone, we are very, very impressed with the Spark.